Children, today we are going to learn about how to convert the days in hours. Okay, that also we are going to learn, and also how to convert hours to minutes. Okay, that also today we are going to learn. So first of all, we will learn convert the following days into hours. Okay, what we are going to learn, convert the following days into hours. I'll give the example. Days means whatever the days, 12 days, suppose, how to convert it into hours. Dash hours. 12 days equal to dash hours. Suppose this question given 12 days equal to dash hours. So how to convert? First of all, we have to find out. You know already, one day equal to how many hours? 24 hours. Yes. So there are how many days are there? 12 days are there. 12 days equal to what to do? This 24 multiplied by 12. 24 multiplied by 12. We have to multiply with this. Whenever we will find out more, always we multiply. One day given this means we are finding 12 days means we have to multiply this two number. Now we will multiply 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Now plus 1 4s are 4. 1 2s are 2. So 8, 8, 2. Okay, 288 hours. So we can easily write here 288 hours. How many hours it is? 288 hours. Understood? First of all, we will find out one day how many hours. One day equal to 24 hours. Then 12 days equal to. So how to find out? We will multiply these two. 24 multiplied by 12. So we will get the answer. Understood? Type of question will give 42 days 5 hours. Two questions are equal to dash hours. Okay, 42 days 5 hours. We have to convert into hours, total hours. So same way, one day equal to 24 hours. So 42 days equal to 24 multiplied by 42. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 1 6, 4 2s are 8, plus 1, 9, 8, 6 plus 4, 10, 9 plus 1, 10. This hours came. Again what to do? This 5 hours we have to add because two numbers are given. We have converted days into hours. Again this 5 hours remains. So this also we have to add with this hours. Now understood? After adding the total, you cannot write this only answer. 8 plus 5, 13, 1, 0, 1. So total answer is 1013 hours. So what is the answer came? 1013 hours. So 42 days 5 hours equal to 1013 hours. Now I hope you understood this. So another concept, learn convert the following into minutes. How to convert hours into minutes. Now we are going to learn how to convert the hours into minutes. I'll give the example. Suppose 5 hours equal to dash minutes. How we will find out? 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. You know already Devi Freshted I had explained. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 5 hours, whenever we will find out 5 hours equal to dash minute, what we will do? This 60 multiplied by 5. What we will do? 60 multiplied by 5. 5 zeros are 0. 5 6 30. So total hours, what is the time came? 300 minutes. Now this is 300 minutes. Now I think you understood how to convert 5 hours into minutes. Just we will multiply 60 multiplied by 5. Same way, so now you can convert minutes to second also. Now we will convert minutes to second. Same type of only we will do. Suppose 15 minutes equal to dash seconds. 15 minutes equal to dash seconds. Same way, 1 minute equal to, you know already, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Okay, same, 15 minutes. 15 minutes equal to dash second. How we will find out? This 60 multiplied by 15. 15 minutes equal to 60 multiplied by 15. 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 30. Now 1 0 is 0, 1 6 is 6. So now total. How many seconds came now? 900 seconds. So we can write here 15 minutes equal to 900 seconds. I hope children you have understood from this example. Based on this, I am going to give some questions. Please solve yourself. Thank you.